What is going on, everyone? Happy Wednesday. So I decided to just pick up my phone and just vlog today. I'm not gonna be doing much. I don't know what I'm gonna get done today, so you guys will just go along with me. Literally just put a little bit of mascara, did my brows, put some lip gloss. That's it. I don't have any foundation. In my last vlog, I told you guys that I wanted to go to Sephora or Ulta just so they can match me up with my right skin complexion, because I'm always like buying the wrong ones, so giving up on that. But today I just wanted to just do something simple anyways. My goal today is to do my nails myself. I'm gonna do like a light pink. I want to do like a little foot mask on my feet, an exfoliating foot mask. So it's gonna be like a little self-care video today. This morning I went to go take the personal lines insurance state exam. I had to be there 30 minutes before 8 because the exam started at 8 o'clock. But of course, you know, you got to fill out paperwork. I had to take a picture and all that stuff. So I had to be there 30 minutes before. So I actually Ubered there. And when I got there, I did what I had to do. I started the test. I didn't pass. And I was 3 points away from getting the score that I needed to be able to retake it. So I had to submit the results to the instructor. And I'm waiting for them to email me back to let me know if they can at least acknowledge that and just let me retake it, or what's the next steps, right? What's meant to be will be. I'm not gonna stress it. I know this past week and a half I've been just like all over the place mentally, like, because there's a lot of information to take in within a week. You know, it's like all those chapters was very lengthy, but the real state exam was like 108 questions. I thought it was only gonna be 100, and I finished about in an hour and some change. But I really wanted to work for this job because it's a good opportunity. So as I'm sitting here vlogging today with you guys, I received a call, and it's from the lady that I was supposed to get in contact with. Made me super happy. They are going to let me retake the state exam, the practice state exam at home. So I got to get to studying to score at least the 70% to get that certificate that I need, and then reschedule to take the state exam again. Like, this opportunity was sent by God, because I didn't even apply for this specific position. I applied twice to 2 different customer service jobs that they had, and then I received an email if I wanted this job offer, and I accepted it. So, you know, it's meant to be for me. But yes, I'm super excited. So right now what I'm gonna do is I am going to put the foot mask on my feet, let it sit for 10 minutes while I'm doing my nails. And then if I have anything to vlog throughout the day, I'll, you know, turn my camera on. I need to make sure I pass this practice state exam to take the actual one again. I'll be back on here later if I have anything else to vlog. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is going to be Thursday. Okay, so this is the foot mask that I'm going to be doing. The only thing I don't like about it, because it is exfoliating, it's gonna, you know, your skin is supposed to peel off and stuff like that. So that's just the messy part of it all. Like, after like a few days, you're gonna start seeing it peel. But I highly recommend this, especially those who suffer from dry skin. I haven't been to a nail salon to get a pedicure in a long time, so I try my best to do it at home whenever I'm able to. So this is my go-to. And I also have to go get the regular ones just to like keep it smooth and stuff. But this is one of the ones I get, and I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I'm going to paint my nails with this pretty pinkish color. I haven't been to the salon to get my nails done either. Like, I've been just like, you know, I need to remember that I have to take care of myself too, you know. I used to always go like every 2 weeks to get my pedicure, my manicure, which I'm gonna get back to that. But this is what I'm gonna be doing, so yes. Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking. It comes with these little sticky things, and they do not work. Because look, this one is already coming off. But I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes while I do my nails. Don't mind this mess. I'm gonna do my nails, let that sit. When my nails dry, I'll take it off. And the recommendations is to just rub it all on your feet with the excess amount of the treatment that's on it for the exfoliator. And yes, you always want to make sure you clean your hands good, guys, because the last time I did this, my skin was peeling and I didn't know why. And I totally forgot that it was from the exfoliating foot mask. Okay, so I did my nails. My feet are done. Now I'm going to have some lunch. I made a bacon, egg, and cheese on a bagel this morning when I got back home from taking the exam. So I'm going to have something light, and I'm going to have my Herbalife shake because I have not had it today. So this is the protein drink mix, vanilla flavored. It's so good. So first I'm going to add water. So I usually do about 8 to 10 ounces of water depending, because some of the shakes, we have different shakes. And some of the shakes, the consistency depends on how much water and ice you put. So I'm going to have my dulce de leche flavor shake with my strawberry cheesecake. I love those two. We have cookies and cream. We have vanilla. We have pineapple. We have a whole bunch. I'm gonna actually put my link in the description down below so you guys can check my website out. So I add 1 scoop of the protein mix. And then what this does is protein. So it's gonna give you the energy and the nutrition that your body needs. You can have it as like a protein snack. I like to add it with my shake. So I'm gonna add 1 scoop of the dulce de leche. And this is a meal replacement shake. So good. So good. Sometimes I put the 2 scoops of this because you have to put 2 scoops of the shake. But if I'm mixing it, I'll do 1 and 1. And then this is the strawberry cheesecake one. So I'm gonna add 1 scoop of that. So this is how it looks so far. And then next I'm going to be adding some ice, and I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. We also have our protein coffee. This is the house blend. We also have mocha and caramel macchiato, which is super delicious. I actually ran out of the I think I'm saying actually too much. Am I? I gotta rewatch this because I don't know. But I have to order some more tea, our Herbalife tea, because I ran out. I ran out of aloe. Well, I'm almost running out of aloe, so I gotta make an order. And I'm just like getting dirty over here. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon. So this is the, I don't know if you guys live by Winn-Dixie, but this is just their brand of cinnamon. So I add some in that. I add some of that in there when I blend it, and then after it's blended, I add some more on top and just put it so that it goes in the cup so it can look nice. I don't know if it's gonna come out nice, because you know sometimes when you want to be fancy and you want to be aesthetic, it don't happen. So now I'm just gonna add some ice. Sometimes I just add a handful, just depends on how I want the consistency to be. I like my shake to be thick. Okay, I don't like it to be watered down because, and then it also depends on the blender you use, believe it or not, because I have a bigger blender and it does not blend it like the way I like it. Like I have to use the Hamilton Beach one, this small one right here. So I'm gonna just blend this, enjoy my shake, get to studying so I can take this practice exam again. I have to score with at least a 70%, guys, so wish me luck. 70% in order to get the certificate that I need for that one to be able to retake the actual exam. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to be extra and add some caramel up in my cup. This is one of the cups that I made for myself. I have another Mañana Será Bonito, but it's a different style. So I have those available. The link will be down below as well if you guys want to purchase any of my cups or shirts. So let's fill it up. Oh my gosh, I forgot to add this. You see, I'm talking and I forgot. But I'll just add the cinnamon on top. So let me just get that again. Boom. And then look how it looks. What? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't come for me. This is healthy, nutritious, and it keeps you full. And it has all the vitamins and nutrients that your body needs. Good to go. So I'm gonna sit my behind down and I am going to get to work. My phone is forever dying, so I'm gonna put it on the charger and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, so a little update, guys. I've been sitting here from 2 till it's about to be 5:30, just rewatching the videos, rereading the chapters, took my notes once again from scratch so that I can make sure that when I attempt to take the practice state exam later on after dinner, I'm passing, at least with the 70% that I need to be able to get the certificate to take the actual state exam again. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm just here waiting for my boyfriend and my son to get home, and then we're gonna have dinner, and then I'm going to get back into study modes, retake this practice state exam, see if I pass it this time. And I should, because I retook everything, and there was some things that I was missing before that I got. You know how sometimes you gotta rewatch something a few times or reread something a few times to be able to like grasp the knowledge. So So that's what I did today. So I'm proud of myself. From 2 to 5:30. Been sitting here in this very spot when he got up to either drink water or use the bathroom. I've been on study mode. So I'm determined to pass this because this opportunity is amazing, hands down. And I'm happy to even be a part of it. To be able to retake it because they didn't have to. They could have just been like straight no. But they allowing me to retake it. So I'm grateful. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I actually ended the vlog yesterday with just studying and trying to stay focused so I can be able to pass this practice state exam and get the certificate so I can go take my actual exam and get that done and out the way. But I am about to hit the books, get into study mode. I just wanted to pop in and say hi to you guys. It's a new day, new vlog, and I'm actually home with my son. He's not really feeling too well. He's actually feeling better than these past couple of days, but I kept him home because he's been congested. It started Sunday night. He started summer day camp Monday, so from Monday to yesterday, he's been like going, but he's not really enjoying it to the max because he can barely breathe. You know, when you congested, you can barely breathe, and it's like all the mucus and phlegm and stuff like that is causing him to cough. So I wanted to keep him home today. I told him to take a nice warm shower. When he got out, I made him breakfast. And I give him his medicine, and now he's feeling a little bit better. He's watching TV, so he'll be good to go tomorrow to go back. It's just like allergies and congestion. It's like nothing that serious, but I wanted to just make sure that he's good. So he hasn't been like coughing or anything today, so that's a good sign. And he said that he can breathe, so good sign. You know, mommy duties. But now I'm gonna get into study mode. I have some laundry that I'm doing. I like washed his blankets and stuff. And I'm going to put that in the dryer, fold it afterwards, and then put some more stuff to wash. I'm really not going to be doing much today, so I don't know what I have planned. I might go outside once my boyfriend comes back because he has the car. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. Guys, I'm super excited. I legit just finished the practice state exam again. And I passed with an 80% score. The passing score, like I told you guys, was 70. So I passed. I'm over that already. I don't have to retake the practice one. I get my certificate. So I actually emailed the lady I spoke with yesterday to see how can I print it out, because I think they told me I was able to print it out on my end so I can have it, and then they'll still have it on their records as well. So now the only thing that's left is for her to reschedule me to take the actual one, which now I can say I'm not like that overwhelmed because I already kicked this practice state exam out the way. But a majority of the questions from the state exam when I went yesterday weren't the same questions that I did on the practice. So I know each time they change it, but it's still similar to what we're learning. So I'm hoping that this time around is a majority of what I just did today. I did still get a few of them wrong. You know, I didn't get a full 100% passing score, but at least I passed. So thank you, Jesus. So now I am going to unload the laundry, put them in the dryer, and take those that's already dried out so I can be able to fold that. And yes, that's gonna be my day. I don't know what else I want to do today, but we're just chilling in the house. I'm comfy. I have on my shorts, shirt, got my little bun. We're gonna be having lunch soon. Yeah, we're just gonna chillax for today. Okay, so it's lunchtime, and my boyfriend bought this salad at Costco yesterday. It comes with the kit, so it has the chicken, the lettuce, the shredded cheese, and then the dressing. And then my son wanted leftovers from yesterday's dinner, which this is from Costco too, the pizza. Their pizza is so good. So we're about to have lunch. I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog so that I don't have to do too much editing when I finish. If I vlog tomorrow, I'll have to add that too. But this is our lunch.